Hello, my dear friends. Once again, after a long break, we are back as the exam is approaching very fast for December 2023. But we are here to share a very special story of one of our student, AKSHITA Sharma. So AKSHITA was a part of our offline as well as online program, and she did her PhD in Life Sciences from St. Bede's College, Shimla, followed by a Masters in Environmental Sciences from Himachal Pradesh University, Shimla itself. Then she was preparing very hard for NET-JRF Environmental Sciences with us. And in that series, she qualified the NET-LS in the very first attempt. And subsequently, she was giving the interview and entrances of all the universities. So in that series, she got selected finally after the entrance and interview at University School of Environmental Management, Guru Gobind Singh Indraprasth University, Dwarka, which is one of the very good university in the field of environmental sciences. So the entire team of A.S.S Science Foundation congratulate our student AKSHITA Sharma for such a remarkable feat, and we wish her good luck for the future PhD program. At present, the institute is offering offline program at our Delhi center, live online program, correspondence with video, correspondence test series, only study material program for June 2024, along with gate ecology evolution and environmental science and engineering. Institute is also offering preparation for master's level for all the undergraduate of science stream and other people who wish to pursue masters in environmental sciences. The institute is also offering a very specialized course for the job orientation on data analysis, which is one of the specialized course institute have started, and the people are getting very good benefit out of that. Institute is also offering interview training for US and European countries at our offline and online centers. So those who are interested, they can reach us, and the registration for the June 2024 are open, and the first batch of our offline and online program will start immediately after the exam on 17th of December in both the mode online as well as offline. So those who are interested, they can reach us as early as possible on the given numbers or through our web page. So those who are waiting for the exam to get done in the minimum time, they can reach us. Thank you.